So his mother had not given the answer to him, and he was looking very weird because he don't have any books or a homework or any backpack. So he was thinking that he was in a totally in a depressed manner. Now I had my life in that backpack. Now backpack is what? The school bag. So he was thinking that he had lost everything of his life, and the whole life was in his backpack, and he had lost his backpack. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. Was I destined to be an outcast and geek all my life? That is what it felt like. I didn't want to grow up, change, or have to handle life. It was going to be in this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. So now he was in a totally depressed mood. Why? Because already he had lost his father. Firstly, he had lost his father. Secondly, his friends, his school, old school friends, and the teacher. Now after that, he had lost his house, which was burned into the fire, and now the cat. And now he don't have anything, as the fire, as you all know that the author's house is almost completely burned down. So he goes to his grandparents house with his mother. And when next day when he goes to the school wearing the previous day's dress and borrowed shoes, so he feels embarrassed. So he's very sad and feels insecure, as his old school and his friends, his house and his cat all have gone away. So he was like totally in a depressed mode. After he was thinking that all his life had gone, so he just wanted to curl up and die. Next paragraph. I walked around the school like a zombie. Everything felt surreal, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been ripped away. So he said that when he went to the school, means the next day when he went to the school, he don't have a proper school bag, he don't have a proper school dress, or he don't have a proper shoes. So he was feeling that he was like he was looking like a zombie, and everything felt surreal, means strange. Everyone was looking him a strange manner, and he don't have anything. So all the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been ripped away. Ripped away means to tear or strip something away, मतलब कि सारी चीज़ें मुझसे दूर जा चुकी हैं. Next paragraph, next page 52. When I walked through what used to be my house after school that day, I was shocked to see how much damage there was. Whatever hadn't burned was destroyed by the water and chemicals they had used to put out the fire. So जब वो वापस अपने स्कूल से घर गया, so that he can see what had if anything was left in that in his house or not, what he had saw that he was totally shocked that there was a lot of damage there by that fire, and whatever had burnt was destroyed by the, or whatever had didn't like burn, जो चीज़ बच चुकी थी वो किस चीज़ से खराब हो गई थी, from the water as well as the chemical which was used to which was used to put out the fire, that was destroyed by the water and that chemical. The only material things, not personal item, that my mother had managed to heroically rescue, but my cat was gone and my heart ached for her. So जो चीज़ें बची थी वो क्या बची थी, that was the photo album. The only material thing had not destroyed were the photo albums, document and some other personal item that my mother had managed to rescue. जो वो बचा के ला पाई थी घर से, वही सिर्फ बच पाई थी. और सबसे ज़्यादा उसको क्या लॉस लग रहा था, बट माई कैट वॉज गॉन एंड माई हार्ट एक फॉर हर, मीन्स माई हार्ट वॉज टोटली इन अ pain. Next paragraph. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed me out of the house. We would have to find a place to live, and I would have to go buy some clothes for school. So he was there was no time to grieve, and there was no time to feel sympathy or to have sympathy, because his mother had rushed me out of the house. वो उसको बचा के लेकर आई, and now he have to find they have to find out some place to live, and they have to buy like they have to go to buy some clothes for the new school. We had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit card, cash, or even any identification to be able to withdraw money from the bank. Everything had gone up in smoke. So now they had to borrow money from their grandparents because they don't have any credit card. The credit card was not left, cash, or even any identification was not left, so that they can see they can saw that like they can show that identification to the bank manager or anyone, so that they can give them a cash. So they don't have anything left as everything was gone up in that smoke. That week the rubble that used to be our house was being cleared of the lot, even though we had rented an apartment nearby. Now whatever had happened with the house, that was happened. So वो पूरा का पूरा वहाँ पर क्या था, जब the house was cleaned up. Now they had rented an apartment the nearby that house, means their burnt house. So they were living at that apartment. I would go over to watch them clear away debris, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found. तो वो हमेशा वहाँ पर जाता था, जो भी वहाँ पर क्लीनिंग होती थी उस घर की, वहाँ पर बहुत सा चीज़ें जल चुका था, तो वो उस डेब्रिस को, मीन्स डैमेज थिंग्स को, जो वहाँ पर डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुकी थी, वो वहाँ पर क्लीनिंग होती थी वहाँ पर, तो वो उसको देखने जाता था, शायद उसकी कैट मिल जाए, चाहे वो बर्न हो चाहे वो उसकी ना हो, सो दैट ही कैन सो दैट ही कैन find out his cat. So, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found, she was gone. I kept thinking about her, that vulnerable little kitten. In the early morning, when I would disturb her and get out of the bed, she would tag along after me, climb up my robe, and crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. I was missing her terribly. So, वो अपनी पुरानी बातों को याद करने लगा. Whenever he woke up in the morning, in the early morning, तो वो क्या करता था, वो उसको थोड़ा परेशान करता था, वो उसके पॉकेट में चली जाती थी. When she was a kitten, तो वो उसके पास जब वो किटन थी तो वो क्या करती थी, उसके पॉकेट में घुस के वहाँ पर सो जाती थी, उसकी जो भी वो ड्रेस पहना रहता था, या उसके ऊपर क्रॉल करती थी. सो ही वॉज मिसिंग हिज कैट एज वेल एज ही वॉज लाइक मिसिंग द थिंग्स विच शी वॉज डूइंग इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग. Now, I was seeing it was seems that the bad news spread quickly, and in my case, it was no different. So कहते हैं ना, पूरी न्यूज़ सबसे पहले फैलती है. तो the burning of his house was spread in the whole society, even in his new school also. So everyone in high school, including the teacher, was aware of my plight. Plight means the things which had gone bad with him. So I was embarrassed as if somehow I were responsible, और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था I was the only person that is responsible for burning of my house. So what a way to start off at a new school. This was not the kind of attention I was looking for. So उसको यही लगने लगा कि ये कैसा अच्छा दिन स्टार्ट हुआ है कि लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं, एम्बेरस्ड हो रहा हूँ मैं, एंड एवरी वन वॉज लुकिंग एट मी, एंड दिस वॉज नॉट द काइंड ऑफ अटेंशन आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर. और वो एक ऐसा अटेंशन नहीं चाह रहा था कि लोग उसकी तरफ ऐसे देखें जबकि उसका घर जल चुका है, इस तरीके से कोई उसको कोई अटेंशन ना दे. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. So when he went to the school next day, means on Tuesday or Wednesday, so the people were there who were who were seeing him in a very strange manner. So I was getting ready for gym class at my locker. People were miling around me. So he was getting ready for the gym class. So he was changing at the locker room. So people were miling around me, means were like gathering around me, and they were saying कि just hurry up and just get it changed. We are getting up late for the gym class. So I thought it is strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. तो जब उसके फ्रेंड्स आके या उसके स्कूल क्लासमेट्स आके उसको बार बार बोल रहे थे जस्ट हरी अप गेट इट चेंज, तो उसे वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत सरप्राइज लग रही थी. बट अब उसकी लाइफ में इतनी चीज़ें हो चुकी थी जो कि अब उसको वो सरप्राइज भी डर लगने लगा था. वो समझ नहीं पा रहा था कि why the people were coming and why the students were coming and surrounding me and saying to me that hurry up, we have to go to the gym class. So it almost seemed that they were trying to shove me into the gym. Then I saw why. और तब जब मुझे पता चला why they were saying to me that I have to move to the gym class, because there was a big table set up with all kinds of stuff on it just for me. और तब उसने देखा कि वहाँ पर gym class में there was a big table, and on that big table there was a lots of things, that is a necessity things which were there, and that was only for me. And what were those things? They had taken up a collection and brought me school supplies like notebook, all kinds of different clothes, jeans, tops, suits. It was like a Christmas for him. Okay. So there was a lots of things which the students had collected. They had collected the money, and from that money they had brought some jeans, tops, sweatshirts, backpack, the notebook, the school supplies, each and everything like pen, pencil, everything for him. And for him it was like a Christmas. So I was overcome by emotion. So he got very emotional that his new friends had arranged such a good thing for him. People who had never spoken to me before were coming up to me to introduce themselves. और जो लोग आज तक उससे उस न्यू स्कूल में मिले भी नहीं थे या उसके जो फ्रेंड्स नहीं बने थे, वो आके उसको अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे. सो आई गॉट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ इन्विटेशन टू देयर हाउस. और अब लोग मुझे अपने घर भी बुलाने लगे थे. सो देयर जेन्युइन आउटपोरिंग ऑफ कंसर्न really touched me in that instant, and that invitation had touched him. मतलब कि सब लोग उससे अच्छे से बात करने लगे, प्यार से बात करने लगे, सब फ्रेंड्स बनने लगे. So that was a very overjoyed for him. I finally breathed a sigh of relief and thought for the first time that things were going to be okay. I made friends that day. और तब उसने एक गहरी सांस ली और उसे ये लगने लगा कि हाँ चलो मेरी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज नाउ आई एम मेकिंग अ न्यू फ्रेंड्स. और उसी दिन उसके कुछ अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए. तो इस तरीके से क्या हुआ, नाउ ही इज़ फीलिंग वेरी रिलीफ एंड ही ब्रीथेड आउट एंड ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट नाउ things could be will be done or is going to be okay for me now, because I had made a friends here and everyone is praising, like everyone is there for me. So in this way students, I had explained you till page number 52. Tomorrow, or tomorrow is your you all are having your PTM, so please do come and see your marks. And on Monday I will be explaining page number 53 and 54, and after that we will be doing the question answer. So students, till then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.